Hey guys, welcome back to IQBAL Kitchen Cuisine. Today, we're sharing a special and delicious sandwich recipe that's perfect for a school tiffin box. It's quick to make, healthy, and packed with flavors that kids will love. If you're looking for an easy lunch idea for your children, this recipe is a great choice. With simple ingredients and a few easy steps, you can prepare a fresh and tasty sandwich in minutes. We hope you enjoy this recipe. Watch the full video for complete step-by-step instructions. So, let's get started. Step 1. Take 2 to 3 boiled potatoes, peel them, and mash them well with the help of a spoon until smooth. Step 2. Add 2 to 3 finely chopped green chilies, chopped tomatoes, half a chopped onion, and 1 chopped garlic clove. Don't skip the garlic. It adds great flavor and is a nutritious ingredient for the whole family. Then add chopped spinach, fresh coriander leaves, and mint leaves. Step 3. Now it's time to add the spices. Adjust the quantities according to your taste. Add red chili powder, salt, turmeric powder, optional. Step 4. Mix everything together until all the ingredients are well combined and the filling is ready. Now, divide the mixture into equal portions and shape them into small sandwich patties. Tikkies. Place the tikkies on a plate and let them rest for 15 minutes so they hold their shape better. You can also store the prepared tikkies in an airtight container in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 days, making them a perfect make-ahead option for busy mornings and school lunch boxes. Step 5. Now, crack 1 egg into a bowl and beat it well with the help of a spoon or fork. Set it aside. Take a few slices of bread and use a jar lid or round cutter to cut them into small round shapes that match the size of your sandwich patties. Heat a pan and lightly grease it with a little oil. Place a bread slice on the pan and brush or dip it with the beaten egg. Then, place a prepared potato patty on top and cover it with another bread slice. Cook on low heat, flipping carefully until both sides are golden brown and crispy. Your delicious and nutritious school lunch sandwich is now ready. It's crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, and perfect for kids' tiffin boxes. We hope you find this recipe helpful. If you try it, please leave a comment and share your opinion. Don't forget to like, share, and follow IQBAL Kitchen Cuisine for more easy and tasty homemade recipes.